In my previous videos, I've explained the different types of hard drive we have. I've talked about the SSD, I talked about the HDD. So in this video, I'll be telling you the difference between the HDD. You can see this is HDD, this is 500 gig, and this is SSD, this is 256. So let me quickly talk about the difference. This 500 gig, although it may have 500 gig, like the gig is high, and this one is 256. So you cannot use that to judge. In terms of fastness, this is very fast. SSD is very fast. It's very fast. And in my previous videos, I said this connector is SATA connector. That means this SSD, it is what? It is a SATA SSD. This is not a card SSD. This is a SATA SSD because it has what? The connector is SATA connector. You can see now. This is SATA connector and this is SSD SATA. Then this one, it is SATA HDD. SATA HDD. You can see this HDD, but this is SATA HDD. How do I know? Let's check the connector. You can see the connector is SATA, so that is why we call it SATA. That is HDD SATA hard drive. Now the difference is because this does not use spin. This SSD does not use spin. You can see it's very light. You can see, and if you hear the sound of this one, you see now. So this one can crash easily. This is the HDD. The reason why people are not using HDD is because number one, you can see it uses spin. It's just like the DVD we have in the olden days. Once you use it for a number of time, this pin here will slack. That's why the hard drive will not able to work again. But after more research, they're able to come up with this. This does not use pin. This is just like plug and play. This is just a plug and play. So if you ask me, my system is using SATA connector, SATA hard drive rather. System is using SATA hard drive. Which one will I use? If you have been using HDD, definitely your system will slow. Your system will definitely slow. It will definitely slow. So I will recommend you go for an SSD. You can see this is SSD SATA. You can go for the 256, but it's expensive than HDD. It's expensive. This is SSD. SSD is expensive than HDD. So you can get the one for 256. You can get the one of 512. You can get the one of 128 gig. But it's quite expensive than this. But this SSD is very fast compared to HDD. It's very fast. So if you want to go for any of the hard drive, maybe on your laptop or your desktop, try to go for SSD. You really enjoy it. You really enjoy it. And if you have any question or you have some other hard drive, please let me know so I can explain to you and I can tell you which one your system is using. Thank you for now. Bye.